Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In this video, we're going to teach you guys how to disable annoying pop-up notifications in Windows. Before we get started with this video, we wanted to let you guys know that we're actually running a giveaway for Microsoft software through the end of the month. At the end of the giveaway, one lucky subscriber will receive any Microsoft software of their choice from Indigo Software completely free. Indigo Software is an authorized reseller of Microsoft software, which means this will be a 100% authentic copy of whichever software you choose. To enter the giveaway, just follow the steps in this video. If you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so luckily it's actually fairly easy to disable this service on Windows, and there's a couple things we're going to take a look at in our settings. I'm going to click Settings to open it up. We're going to navigate to the System tab, and under System, we have a tab for notifications. Now, inside this tab, we have the master option of turning off all of our notifications entirely, but we might find it more useful to actually go through and manually set notifications. So for example, I might want notifications from Google Calendar, but maybe not necessarily from Discord. And so I could easily just turn this off. We have a few modes in here that we can use as well. And this will keep the notifications in the notification center. We can also schedule Do Not Disturb in the setting below that. Next up, we have priority notifications. Here we can add or remove our priority notifications. We also have calls and reminders. And last up, we have a mode called Focus. And this is going to turn on Do Not Disturb and a few other settings, and we can set this for a specific duration. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything that we've covered, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, for a chance to win any Microsoft software of your choice with an official Microsoft license, click this video and follow the steps for a chance to win. As always, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have any videos of your own that you'd like to see us cover, we encourage you to drop those in the comments below. Most of these requests get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.